Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I will be unboxing another amazing product. And this time what we have here is the SteelSeries gaming headset, and this time we have the Arctis Nova 5 wireless gaming headset, and this one is compatible with a lot of devices, so which we're going to talk about, and this comes with a lot of amazing features as well. I've been using the SteelSeries headphone at my home also for my gaming and work purposes, and I'm also a huge fan of the SteelSeries brand. So let's talk about it, unbox it, and see what do we have inside. Alright, so let's open this. Nice. Alright, so first of all, we have the dongle, and this is the Type-C connection which you can put on the PC, your mobile phone and other devices. Then what else do we have? Okay, we have the cables. Of course, we have the USB-A to Type-C cable. So the second cable, oh, this is the extender, so you don't have to worry about the long cable. So this is the very good they provide with it. So let's put that on side. What's next? Of course, we have the headset itself. Oh wow, look at this. Wow, it looks of course great as their other series model also. I mean, they definitely come in a premium quality, all their headsets, and it's very comfortable in use when you're wearing it and for your long gaming sessions also. I like the strap on the top for your head adjustment here, so which comes very handy also. Of course, we have their manual, all the information guide, so everything you need to know about this product you can find it here. And of course, all the sticker pack. I'm a big fan of the sticker packs also. I've using this GG one on my laptop actually. Okay, so on the headset itself, we have the microphone mute button. If you guys want to quick mute, you can just do it from here. And we have the volume control here as well, plus and minus. And then we have the microphone. We are using the still microphone here. And of course, this one also brings you a lot of flexibility where you want to position it when you are talking to someone or playing games and all that chat sessions on Discord. And there is a LED indicator here also, which we're going to talk about in a while as well. On the right hand side, of course, we have power button and the other function buttons here, and then we have the Type-C cable goes here to charge your headphones. These are the wireless headphones, and we will be talking about the connectivity as well, so that's why you have to charge it, and it have a very long battery hours as well. All right, before I dive into the testing of this product, let's talk about its specifications and features. The SteelSeries Arctis Nova 5 Wireless is a premium headset designed to deliver cutting-edge audio for ultimate gaming experience. Crafted with a lightweight yet durable design, the Arctis Nova 5 features custom 40mm neodymium driver that offers an immersive sound experience. From crystal clear highs to deep resonant bass, one of the standout features is its dual wireless connectivity with 2.4 GHz wireless and Bluetooth 5.3, and with an impressive battery life of up to 60 hours on Bluetooth and up to 50 hours on 2.4 GHz, you will never run out of power in the middle of a match. Plus, fast charging via USB-C gives you 6 hours of playtime from just a 15-minute charge. The Arctis Nova 5 is equipped with a retractable ClearCast 2.0 microphone featuring AI-powered noise cancellation to ensure your voice is always crystal clear. Do note that you would need to download the SteelSeries GG app and Sonar Audio software suite on your PC for this feature to work. The headset also features chat mix, which allows you to control and adjust the game and in-game chat volume separately. Customize your sound further with the Arctis Nova companion app for Android and iOS, giving you access to 100 sound presets tailored for different game and genres. The headset features Airweave memory foam ear cushions and a ski goggle suspension band, keeping you comfortable during those marathon gaming sessions. So whether you are playing a PC, PlayStation, Xbox, or even on the go with Switch or mobile, the SteelSeries Arctis Nova 5 Wireless gives you the freedom, comfort, and immersive sound to elevate your gaming to the next level. Alright, so first of all, we will test and connect with our phone. So I have downloaded their app, which you can find on the Android stores or the App Store as well. So first of all, we need to press pair your device. It's asking me to hold the power button and it will start blinking. So in our case, we can see that there is a blink light already, and very fast it comes into the pairing. I'll just press pair, then we will press start pairing. Let's see. and it shows you all the devices which one you have. In our case, we have the Arctis Nova 5, and then there we go. Actually, we are connected. Let's talk about the app itself. We have a lot of functions in the app for your microphone, for your side tone, for your mute LED brightness. You can even control that how you want it to be. And then you have the audio limiter, which you can utilize here as well. And then you can see on the top right side where it shows that you are connected to the Bluetooth or you are connected to the 2.4 gigahertz connection also. And then on the top you have the settings for your power options. You can set the default. You can check the firmware updates here as well. All the FAQs and all the other things available as well here. In terms of the sound quality, I've been wearing it. Was definitely amazing sound, of course. And in terms of game sound also, yes, this is where it comes in very handy, and the advantages of that. How you can hear your enemies very clearly, very loud. In terms of the microphone, this is the LED indicator when you are mute, so at least it is in front of you, in front of your eyes actually, when you are actually talking and all that. So I can see that is mute, and I can just press my button here and I know that I'm not mute anymore, and I can hear myself inside as well. So the monitors of the headphones, you can actually turn it on and off from here. So this is the side tone. I can actually put it on the high, so I know how do I sound and which is the position of my headphones I want to put it for my gaming sessions. Then of course this mute LED brightness we were talking about, actually you can make it very bright. You can actually bring it medium. If you guys can see, it just changes the color. You can bring it low, or you can just totally turn it off. Small details, but very, very important for some people. And the next thing we can talk about here, the EQ presets in this app. You bring it on, you have 179 presets inside, and it's based on the games actually. So for example, you're playing Call of Duty Mobile, just check this, and then you are on the preset for that game. It gives you the advantage in the game also. You don't have to waste all your time just finding the perfect presets or setups for your audio. Let's test the microphone from our mobile and then see how that sounds.
All right, so now sound, whatever you're hearing is coming directly from this microphone. That's the flexibility I was talking about. If I want to move it around, if I am putting it just near, just like this, around very close to my mouth, I like that kind of sound in the streaming. So it's very clear when I'm chatting with my viewers, and then it just shows very, very clear as well there. I think the quality of the sound for this microphone coming from the headset, which is wireless as well, I think it's quite decent. You guys can let me know in the comment section also, what do you think about the sound quality of this microphone? I mean, I really like it. It's very, very decent.
Alright guys, so this is the GG app which we have downloaded on our desktop, and we've been playing around with it for quite a while now. So this gives you a very nice overview of what you can do with this headphone and microphone itself. So you can see the mixture. This is the main mixture you have. You can see all the levels here of like sounds, game audio, chat audio, media, AUX, or your microphone, and the master volume control from here as well. Let's say if I am playing a game such as Valorant, then if I want to change the settings for the Valorant, I can actually do it from here by going to the game. Here on the top preset is at the moment on the flat. So if I'm in the game with the flat preset, which is the normal game sound, I can hear it perfectly fine, like a normal audio of that. But if I want to enhance it based on the preset which we have talked about earlier also, let's go back to the app. So in our mixture, in the game section, I came here and I can choose, for example, Valorant, and this one is the Valorant by FaZe. When I go back to the game, you can actually really feel the difference in the audio. I can hear the sound steps quite okay now, quite clear. Previously it was a bit low, and the other audio, wow, it really enhanced the experience. So let's say in this mixture we have other things for chat also, so you can actually control all your chat volumes as well, how you want to do it, any presets you want to choose, or you just want to keep it flat, or even you want to do a customized preset, you can do that as well. So if you guys can see in my main mixture, if I'm in here, there's a chat mix button here. I can adjust here how much game sound I want to hear, or how much I want to hear about the chat. And for example, if I want to add my own custom preset under the My Preset, I can actually create more presets here, and I can adjust them accordingly how I want, or how I want my general sounds to be on for all the games and everything. Then on the other hand side, we have the media part. You can just control all the things how you want it, all the custom preset, or based on the games and other. For example, in this one, if you're watching a movie, you can have it from there. These are the presets for you. You can just quickly utilize as well. Then for the aux side, All the settings for the volume boost and smart volume also you can utilize here. I saw one more thing which we did not really utilize. They have a streamer mode as well. With this streamer mode, you can have all the master controls here for the streaming software. This will give you another area to work and create your own personal shortcuts also, which you can use as well. Alright guys, I hope I have covered all the amazing features of this amazing product, and if you guys want to know more about it, I will be dropping the link direct to the product for the website in the description of my video. And if you want to know more about it, you can always drop me a comment in the comment section. I'll be happy to reply all your inquiries. And if there are any discount codes available for you guys to utilize, I'll be dropping that in the description also, so do check that out as well. If you guys have enjoyed this video, so don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.